Good morning, students. Welcome to the geography class. Please take your geography book and open page number 77. And under this we have got the petroleum. We will discuss today on the subject petroleum. Now, what are the things that come under the petroleum and all that, and the use of it we will discuss today. When you say petroleum, means along with the other oil, coal and other fossil fuel, petroleum is another one main. Fossil fuels are formed when plants and marine organisms die and their remains become buried under several thousand feet of silt, sand or mud. Fossil fuels take millions of years to form, and therefore petroleum is also considered to be a non-renewable resource of energy. Non-renewable energy resource. And so petroleum is a substance that is formed out of the organic matters, either plant or the marine. Especially petroleum is produced usually from the marine organisms. Marine means sea, underwater. Marine, underwater. Today we have got submarines and all that. So marine means the living beings that are living, existing, developing and growing in the water. They live in the water, not outside water. And to protect their body from the cold water, and so to manage that, balance their body, they have a lot of production of fat in their body. That fat is oil. Now, when the marine marine creatures are buried deep inside the water and in the ground, and in the mud, on the silt, that oil on their body becomes the petroleum. You see, in the raw form, okay, in the raw form, that oil becomes oil. Now, those oils are extracted and then with various categories of inflammation. Inflammation, that means can be burnt, like burning, and use lubrication and burning, different forms we have got. All together they are petroleum. Whether it is petrol or diesel or mobile or any other lubrications, all these are petroleum. So they are made out of the living marine life under the sea. So they are today they are our energy resource. They are today our energy resource. Thought to have been formed from decomposition. These are decomposed composition of animals and vegetation under the heat and pressure during geologic period. It occurs usually in deep rock strata, but sometimes near the surface also, deep inside the soil or under the on the surface level also. When cracked and refined, it produces hundreds of protochemicals that are converted into thousands of products. We cannot just say only the petrol or diesel. Thousands of products have been produced by these oily product, raw product of the geothermal area. It produces hundreds of protochemicals. That means raw petroleum product. Petrochemicals. All these are chemicals that are coming from the petroleum. Petroleum is formed by hydrocarbon. They are formed by hydrocarbon. What is this hydrocarbon? A hydrocarbon is a compound made of carbon and hydrogen. Hydrocarbon, with the addition of certain other substances, primarily sulfur. Petroleum in its natural form, when first collected, is usually named like crude oil, raw petroleum, that is known as crude oil, and can be cleared, can be refined in the refinery. It is taken and then refined, and green or black, and may either be thin or thick, or the gasoline or thick, whatever, or tar, anything. They are the outcome of it. They are the finished product of the crude oil, that is petroleum. So all are called petroleum. So here, so they are primarily a raw material, crude oil, and when it is refined, they are made into thousands of products from petroleum. Next one, originally the primary use of petroleum was as a lighting fuel. Once it had been distilled and turned into kerosene, lighting. So you might have seen that in the kerosene lantern it was used, Petromax and lantern it was used just to make the lighting. There was no light, no electricity at that time. So kerosene oil was very, very important. Till today it is, but then mostly those earlier days. When Edison opened the world's first electricity generating plant in 1882, the demand of kerosene began to drop. So the kerosene started dropping out. However, by this time, Henry Ford had shown the world that the automobiles would be the best form of transport for decades to come, and gasoline became a product on the high demand. Gasoline, that means gas, of a gas type. It is a thickest form, the almost black petroleum, named today bitumen. Gasoline is a like tar. It is used to make road and other things, and roof, which is used for paving the roads, forming the black top. It is also an excellent water repellent and is used for roofing. Yes, as I said, paving the building of road or roofing. There are several major oil producing regions around the globe. Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, crude oil field are the largest one in Saudi Arabia. Although Middle East oil from other countries in the region such as Iran, Iraq also make up the significant part of the world production of figure. The world has a limited supply of petroleum, and current estimates tell us that within the next few decades, mankind will have the complete depleted this valuable resource, natural resource. That means completely they will exhaust it and then finish it, and then next generation will not have. So they can so now alternative uses are there, like vehicles running on batteries or solar system. Although measures have been taken to ensure that there are cheap renewable fuel options in place of exhaustible one, it is still obvious that the mankind faces a serious when petroleum supplies finally run out. So every month there is a hike in the petroleum products, especially the petrol and diesel. Till independence, oil was the only drilled refined in India, Digboi. But now it is drilled also in Gujarat plain, Kamboi offshore sea, and also the coast of Bombay High, that is known as Bombay High. You can see the picture here, Bombay High, that is offshore. Some oil is also found in the deltaic area of Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri and Mahanadi rivers. They are small in amount, but they are there, but not enough. Enough. Not that is not enough. Okay. And so these are about the petroleum product in India. Okay. We'll see next video the gas, natural gases as the natural resource.